Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer Cypher. For this video, I want to unbox BTS NOW 1 DVD in Thailand. These are the freebies from the seller, Hyungi, and I got Ingi from 17 and Sokjin. Now let's have a look for the photo book and the DVD. These are the postcard, I guess, or maybe poster. This is the DVD. Oh, I haven't opened the DVD yet. This is the disc. I've been wanting this DVD since 2017 and I just got it 5 years later. It's been a long ride for me. And this is the mini poster. They look so young in this, on this. Yeah, they look so young. And this is the Discord notification. I'm sorry. This is the photo book. Now series photo books are a lot thicker than normal BTS photo books, even their memories, I guess, but it is a lot thicker than the normal concert DVDs. Even the seasonal package DVDs are a lot thinner than the now photo book series. The series has more than two concepts in one photo books, as this is for the first concept or the first photo shoot. I think it was in their Thailand hotel or something like that. They look so they look so young. Actually, at this time when I editing this video, Sungjin was going to military to enlist. So if my voice cracks, sorry in advance. Do you remember Yoongi's old hobby when he takes photo with his camera? Oh, they look so cute. So young. Wow, Bartino. Sorry. Wow. It's so cute. Wow, why am I moving the photo book to pause? You look like a 7 years old on this photo. And let's move to the second concept or second photo shoot. I don't really remember for this photo shoot concept. I think it's model photo shoot gonna be no, it's at Thailand's night road. They look like in front of someone's building. Yeah, it's concept was BTS in Thailand on the road, and the second concept is tennis. Yeah, they were playing tennis. Do you remember that one BTS run episode when they played tennis or other things and they cheated? Uh, oh, it's really. And this is table tennis or something like that. Something table. And that was a unit for the book, not unit for the shield. And this is the other unit. They were playing basketball. Yeah, they were playing basketball in Thailand. It's fun. And another 47 photo shoots. And on the next concept or the fourth concept, I read it. I think it's a pool concept. A young group that photo shoot was spread like a wildfire since the photo books and the DVD is rare, like one of the most rarest merch of BTS. I opened it, the photo book persistently. It's not like I don't want to show contents, um, but I was afraid that it will breaks the photo shoot. And it's the fifth, I believe, fifth concept. I don't No, I'm not sure what this concept. I think it's models in challenge like road games, but fancier. Yeah. Oh. Bener. Acting like they were at the club or something. I think it's the other next photo shoot. There, there were a lot of concerts. It's BTS on Thailand roads in the morning. They were walking. They look so cute and so young here. I mean, it was second back in 2014, 2013, I believe. Another photo shoot, another concept for photo shoot. Oh, it's when they had to choose or had to be in three separated units, and this is the Macmillan units. They were choosing, I don't know, another portrait concepts like modeling plot concepts or something like that. And for 24 lines or 19 and Hosok, they chose like markets. Yeah, I believe they chose next market as a concept. Yeah. This this is also online concept, like market concept, but not super fancier than Yogi and Sogujin's concept. Another concept, no, this is like a tank levels to armies to the staff and how they felt out, what were they doing in Thailand, getting the a close up. Another close up is a film. Mr. And the last OTC fund was in the photo books. This is like the collage of the photo book. Why I was rushing. No, this is the last photo book, not the last OTC fund in the photo book. And let's get photo book back to the paper cover. The cover is actually very fragile and it's thin, so I'm afraid that I'd break that. And that was my video of unboxing this now one BTS in Thailand. Thank you. Please subscribe and like and comment if you do like my contents. Thank you. See you in my next video.